friends, I'll be showing you an approach to recycle plastic containers into a plant pot. Let us see the materials required. 1 liter ice cream container, plain white paper, scissor, glue, acrylic paint and a brush. Cut the paper and stick on the container surface with glue. Let it dry for a few minutes. Now, paint your favorite design as you wish. I have chosen to paint watermelon's theme. Pierce some holes under the container for water drain. Then fill with soil and set your favorite plant. It is more economical as well as environment friendly